come down to Home Depot. I'm going to make myself some fitness sandbags. That's the plan. So all this should help me make a fitness sandbag that I can throw around. Right. I'm absolutely sure my neighbours think I'm crazy, but you know, the receipt is $27.73. A sandbag, if you go and buy one, is way more than $27.73. All I needed was some sand, something to wrap it in to kind of keep it contained, and then something to seal it with to make it sturdy. So I've got some Gorilla tape or duct tape. So tonight I'm going to try and make a sandbag out of a couple of very cheap purchasable items. We'll see how we go. Oh, and today was recovery day. And I love recovery day because I really needed to recover. So the wife and I went down to the pool with Remy. We got to splash around a lot and had a lot of fun. There was a plunge pool and a steam room, so I got to alternate that kind of therapeutic remedy, that hot and cold. The plunge pool was freezing, so I stayed in it until I shivered and got out and then got back in the steam room and carried on. But anyway, it was a really good recovery day and I enjoyed my day 14. So let's make a sandbag. But really all I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap it up and that's it. It feels pretty solid actually. It'd be good to road test it, but it's 25 kilos and it is almost in compliance with the Spartan Fit challenge. So I'll wrap this guy up and I'll start throwing it around tomorrow. I'm kind of happy with that. Less than 30 bucks Canadian. I got myself a sandbag. The resourcefulness and the thinking about how I would get this job done without having to spend 100 or more bucks on sandbags was worth its weight in gold. I've just run out of tape. I reckon I need about another 5 meters of tape to make this guy completely sealed, because I'm going to be working in, well, more than likely, slush and snow tomorrow. It's forecast for snow. You can't see all her little imperfections, and there are many, but for the most part, she is a bag of 25 kilogram sand, wrapped in plastic, wrapped in Gorilla tape, and finish off with duct tape, which I actually think was a really good way to finish because it feels really solid now and ready for the next Spartan Fit adventure. All right, I hope you enjoyed that for what it's worth, and I'll see you tomorrow. DIY home fitness equipment. Sandbags. Really easy. I'll see you tomorrow.